I have a single serve coffee maker. This is a Keurig K901, and I'm noticing I'm getting about 6 ounces of coffee even though I pressed the 12-ounce button. So I'm going to show you how to fix that right now, and this will work for just about any coffee maker. First thing we are going to do is dump out all the water that's in your reservoir, and you're going to replace it with vinegar. So this is a 5% solution of acetic acid, just good old-fashioned vinegar. This is similar to a normal cleaning process, but we're adding one important step. So with our vinegar loaded in the water bin, we're going to go through the process of making a normal cup of coffee, but we are not going to put a K-cup in there. So we'll put our coffee cup in place. Let's go ahead and press the 12 button and then start, in our case, this Keurig unit. So now we have hot vinegar cycling through our coffee maker, and you're going to get a good smell of vinegar from this. But once it's done, we're going to let it sit in there for 2 hours. This is the critical step. So what's going to happen is all that vinegar is going to dissolve the mineral buildup inside all the tubes and the valves of your Keurig unit that are blocking it. So we're just going to let this Keurig unit sit for 2 hours. Now, after 2 hours, you can start flushing your unit, and here is what some of the water looked like inside my beaker. You can see there's some calcium carbonate as well as some silicates that came out. So I'm going to keep on flushing my unit, but I'm using that measuring cup so I can actually see how much water I'm getting. Check it out. I am now back to 12 ounces of coffee. Now, with your coffee maker repaired, you can dump out any extra vinegar, rinse everything really good with tap water, and then I am going to run a little bit more water through it just to get rid of any of that vinegar taste. And at this point, your coffee maker is back to normal. Make yourself a cup of coffee, and there's your full cup. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.